The ASUS laptop has a sleek design and is lightweight at 1.9 kilograms, making it suitable for people on the go. The laptop comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed. It has a powerful Intel Celeron N4000 processor for seamless multitasking. This laptop features a 4GB LPDDR4 RAM and has Intel UHD 600 graphics to run multiple applications without slowing down. The laptop comes with 500 GB of internal memory to store all photos and up to 300 hours of HD movies with ease. The laptop runs on a 33 watt-hour capacity lithium-ion battery. It has a 15.6-inch HD screen which offers a good viewing experience while ensuring that the laptop is easy to carry. The laptop features a Sonic Master dual round speaker using available chassis space for better low-frequency performance and reduced noise. The extra-large chamber of 19.4 cc provides superior bass and good sound clarity. The ASUS Eye Care mode helps effectively reduce blue light levels by up to 33% and reduces eye fatigue. It also features a full-size chiclet keyboard that ensures a solid typing feel with minimal key float. The laptop has one HDMI port, one USB 3.0 port and two USB 2.0 ports for easy connectivity. This genuine ASUS laptop comes with a brand warranty. Check the product page for attractive exchange and EMI options.